In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uncheck all in Notion. Whether you're managing tasks, making lists, or tracking habits, using checkboxes in Notion can be incredibly useful. But sometimes you might find the need to uncheck all the boxes you've previously selected, whether it's to start fresh or to reset a task list for a new cycle. Unfortunately, Notion doesn't offer a direct uncheck all button, but don't worry, I'm here to walk you through the process easily and efficiently. Firstly, the key step to resetting your checkbox selection is to highlight all the checkbox blocks you want to reset. Take your cursor and click to drag over the checkboxes, ensuring each one is selected. You'll see a faint outline or a change in shading, indicating that your selection is active. This might take a bit of practice to get right, especially if you have a large number of checkboxes to manage. Remember, patience is key. Once you've gotten all your checkboxes highlighted, let's consider if you've just recently checked them. If that's the case, there's a neat little keyboard shortcut you can utilize to make this process quicker. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl+Z, or if you're on a Mac, you'll use CMD+Z. This shortcut essentially acts as an undo command, which means if you just checked those boxes and realized it was premature, this command will undo that last action. If this method doesn't fit your scenario and you're unable to undo the action as it was performed long ago, you might need to individually uncheck each box manually. Not the most time efficient, but it gets the job done. For those frequently needing to reset checkboxes, you might consider creating a duplicate of your checklist or boilerplate templates without the checkboxes checked, and make a habit of using that duplicate each time you start anew. This way, you always have an unchecked version ready to go and save yourself this hassle in the future. And there you have it. While managing checkboxes in Notion doesn't appear seamless at first, these tips help streamline the process and make it more efficient. Just by understanding a few basic commands and tricks, you can maintain clean, organized checkboxes in your Notion workspace. So next time you're compiling your list or resetting your tasks, you'll approach it with confidence and ease. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insights and tips on optimizing your digital workspace. Happy organizing!